Now for our embossing folders, I'm just starting with this one here. This is Delightful Doily, and it's actually a hybrid. So it's an embossing folder that has a die that will cut it out as well. So anytime you see one of these foil items here, it just means it's part of a bundle. So I have that, and I'm going to show you that in a little bit too. So then we have some embossing folders. So I'm just going to let you read. Trying not to get that glare on there. Some of these are great for guys. It's always hard to find things for guys, isn't it? A few more here. Okay, that's it for our embossing folders.